Hey, this is Sam Tesfay from the Silver Method. Just came back from Melbourne, where I actually went there to attend a mega networking event. That was beyond my expectations. I didn't really know what I was going to learn or meet, and it was amazing. There actually, as the name says, it was a networking event and a seminar. We learned a lot of new tools and techniques that we could use in our business, and at the same time, we also had the time to network with like-minded people. We got the chance to exchange ideas and also share the possibilities of creating joint ventures with other business owners. That was, in my opinion, one of the best events I ever attended. And I really thank Rod for arranging this event. Bye.